Good day and welcome back to this channel. So in this video we will talk about how to set the time on Casio AE1300W. And to do that, first we need to press and hold the adjust button from the timekeeping mode like this. Okay, so press this one and hold. As you can see, the second is blinking. So to set the second, we can press the start button. So if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, next we press the mode button to cycle to the next item, and that is daylight saving. If you want to turn it on, just press the start button, so it will become on, or press again if you want to turn it off. Okay, press the mode button to the next item, and now this is the city or the time region. You can change as you need, and yeah, this one will move to the right side of the map, and then the light button will go to the left side of the map. Okay, this is going to the west and this is going to the east, and now I will set to BKK, Bangkok. Okay, and then press again the mode button to cycle to the next item, and then this is the hour 2. So to change that, we can press the start button to increase and then the light button to decrease. Okay, next mode button again, and now the minute, we can press the start button to increase or to add, and the light button to decrease or to give less number. Okay, and then again mode button. Now we change to the year. You can use the start button and the light button. Next, the month, also same thing, and then again mode button. Now we go to the date, also the same thing, and then press again the mode button. We go to the second, the first one that we set earlier, and if you want to exit from the adjust mode, just press the adjust button once, and now we return to the timekeeping mode. Anyway, if you want to change from AM/PM to 24 hours format and vice versa, just press the start button at the timekeeping mode like this, so it changed from 14 to become 2 PM. This is the letter P, which shows that it is PM. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye.